Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing one of the most practical accessories you can get for your car, a car phone holder. If you're constantly struggling to find a safe place for your phone while driving, or you're tired of it sliding around, this is exactly what you need. Let me start with the design. This holder features a sleek, modern look that fits seamlessly into any vehicle interior. It's incredibly compact, so it won't obstruct your view of the road or dashboard. The build quality is impressive. It feels sturdy and durable, which is exactly what you want in a car accessory. Now let's talk about functionality. This phone mount uses a secure grip system that holds your device firmly in place no matter how bumpy the road gets. Whether you have a small smartphone or a larger phablet, the adjustable arms accommodate virtually any phone size. Installation is a breeze. Just choose where you want to place it, and you're good to go. One of my favorite features is the 360-degree rotation capability. You can easily switch between portrait and landscape mode depending on your navigation app or video call needs. The viewing angle is perfect for GPS navigation, and you won't have any glare issues. The material is premium-grade plastic and silicone, which prevents your phone from scratching while keeping it locked in place. I've been using this for several weeks now, and I haven't experienced any slippage whatsoever. What really impressed me is the affordability. For the quality you're getting, this is an absolute steal compared to other premium brands on the market. It's a no-brainer investment for anyone who spends time driving. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable car phone holder that delivers on functionality and style, I highly recommend this product. It's made my driving experience so much more convenient and safer. If you found this review helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.